Recording now.
Okay.
Okay, this is flight of the beta rocket, the one I did level 1 on, and it should be taking off in about 5 minutes or so. Going 3, 2, 1. Very hot.
So
much for that rocket.
sorry about that. Forward closure failure. Yeah.
So what did I do to cause that?
Was that a single-use motor?
No.
No. Okay.
I didn't push the thing in far enough?
No. It's. Did you, when you put in the?
I forgot to put the spacers.
You didn't put in the delay?
The spacers. It's in a 4-grain motor, and it was a 2-grain engine.
Okay. Okay.
That's what did it.
All right.
I forgot to put in the spacers.
Oh, that's too bad. Well, anyway.
Oh, for the grains.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's what.
Well,
Okay.
at least the top section's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the top section of the fin can's fine. You know, strip off the fin can and make a new rocket.